How to report hacked Facebook friend. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to report hacked Facebook friend. So if your also friend has account has been hacked, so in that case what you need to do is just click on the profile of your friend of which Facebook account you think has been hacked. So you just have to report it, their profile picture. So once you're inside their profile picture, just tap on this three dot icon over here and just click on this report profile, and you'll be getting these options. And first you can also click on block records profile just like this, and it will successfully block you. And just click on continue reporting and just click on something about this profile and just click on something else since it's not showing hacked account option. So once you do that, just click on done from over here and you will have successfully reported that particular Facebook friend account. So that is exactly how you can easily report hacked Facebook friend on your Facebook. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to channel. See you on the next one.